Here I have ASUS Zenfone 9, and today I'm going to show you how to turn off front camera mirroring effect on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, then switch to the front camera. So now just for an example, let's take one photo with this feature enabled, and now I'm going to show you how you can disable it. So tap firstly on this arrow key here, then tap on the gear, access settings, and here you can find save as mirrored photo. So you just disable it and now it will save it like this, but previously it was like this. So as you can see here we have lighting from the right side and here from the left side, and yeah, that's how it works. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.